Y'all, is it really? Like, is it really February already? Lord, slow down the time.
That's just how we roll. What it is, what it is. How we roll. You know what it is, what it is. That's just how we roll. What it is, what it is.
What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is CrissyJ. I do invite you to subscribe for good vibes because I think you're going to love it here. If you're a return subscriber, y'all know the drill. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, we are in February. Like,
what in the whole moving right along is going on?
Okay, because I am just like, slow down. Yeah, I can't believe it's February. So anywho, today's video we are going to go over my monthly goal board. So I told you guys, I believe in my vision board video, I don't remember what video it was in, but I know I mentioned it. I might have mentioned it in a vlog, but that I wanted to like get back into doing my monthly goal boards as well as my yearly vision board. So my yearly vision board kind of pulls all of my goals together and what I want to accomplish across the 12 months, but I wanted to kind of break it down monthly and show you guys how I do my monthly vision boards. I just feel like when you do monthly goals and set like those shorter, short-term goals for yourself, they're easier to accomplish for some reason. I feel like I get more accomplished that way. So I was doing them maybe like 2 years ago, and then I kind of fell off last year just because we had a lot going on, but we're back to it, okay, and we're just gonna go ahead and start it. So January didn't do it because I showed you guys my vision board for the year, so we're gonna go ahead and pick up with February. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my vision board, well, goal board. So for the month of February, we are calling February Focus February. I just want to stay focused. I do not want to get distracted. I'm easily to be distracted, so I just feel like that's one of the main things I want to do is just focus. So starting at the top left, I have success is a decision. If you want it, work for it. And then next to that, always celebrate your wins. If you guys have watched my vision board video, then you would have seen I made a vision board. I'm sorry, girl, get your words together. I made a wins jar. And this year I want to celebrate my big and small wins, because at the end of the year, for some reason, the only thing that stood out to me as far as like a win in 2023 was us buying the house. And I'm like, girl, I know daggone well you had more wins than that. That was like the biggest win of the year, and I think it just overpowered everything. But I would have loved to look back and be like, oh yeah, I did do that, or oh yeah, I did lose 26 pounds. You know what I'm saying? So next to that, we have a picture of a church. We actually went to our first service 2 Sundays ago. By the time y'all see this, I don't know, but a couple weeks ago, and it was really, really nice. I'm looking forward to going to more. I do want to visit a few other churches before we settle in and find like a church home for us, but they do have like a youth group for Kaden to go to on Wednesday nights. So I am looking forward to just getting into my faith-based community. To the right of that, we have treadmills, because if you know, you know. That is like forever and always will be on my vision board, just because I need to just get back into moving my body. I have been working crazy hours these last few months, and I just realistically and transparency, okay, wise, I have not been moving my body the way I need to. So my goal for the month is to move my body. Going to the second row, we have a wonderful looking healthy dish with just some shrimp and broccoli. That is representing me wanting to just eat healthier, cut out my carbs, cut out my sugars, and just kind of focus on whole hearty meals that are good for me. Next to that, I have a picture of a nice, clean, aesthetically pleasing office space, no clutter, and that's kind of what I want for my office. I pretty much have the furniture, like the big furniture that I'm getting. That's all I'm getting in here. But I have a thing where I'm cluttering up my office, mainly my desk. And so I do want to declutter some things in my office, as well as just kind of keep a clean working space at all times. So that's my goal for February. Under that we have, or next to that, we have a couple walking hand in hand, and as you can see, they're a little dressy. She has her heels on and her dress, and that just represents dating. Like, me and Sean need to definitely have a date night. You know, we've tried and it just epic fails, always something going on, but that is a goal for us this month. And then y'all know the month of February is all about love, but I don't want it to be like cliche and just us celebrate like love just because it's the month of February and just because it's Valentine's Day or whatever the case. I want us to like go on a date, whether it's on Valentine's Day or not. Like, yeah, I want us to really like try to go on a date once a month. So going to like the third row, under the food, we have 5:30, and that represents me getting up early. I actually want to get up at 5, but I put 5:30 because that's the latest I want to actually like be at my desk or be out of the bed. Right now, I have overtime at my job, so I'm trying to knock that out while it's available. But once it's no longer available, my goal will still be to get up, get out of the bed, hit the gym. So yes, that's a goal of mine. Next to that, we already went over Focus February because that's what February is all about. And to the right of that, we have water and lemon. I drink a lot of water on any given day, but and I do usually start my day with water and ice. And I'm trying to drink a lot of water without ice. Like, I don't want ice to be the reason why I'm getting my water in. And I noticed that when I don't eat ice, I'm not drinking as much water. I'm still getting water in, but not nearly as much. So that's why I have a glass here with no ice, just lemon. And that's kind of like how I want to start my day. Before I put anything else in my mouth, I want my lemon, water, and vitamins. Moving on down, under the clock, we have thank you for 3,000 subscribers. Now, this might be a reach, y'all. This might be a reach, but I plan on being very consistent the month of February. I plan on mixing up some content and just kind of playing around with some things that I'm interested in, and then hopefully you all will be interested in watching as well. And from there, I am praying that we can hit 3,000, total subscribers for the month of February. I would love to have the additional Japers join the fam. Like, I love our community, but I do want us to grow. I want us to engage with each other more. I want us to be a little more active in the comments. And I just feel like the more we grow, the more people will, like, kind of converse with me in the comments. And yeah, so it might be a little reach, you know what I mean? But hey, we're gonna reach for the stars, and if anything, we'll land. Wait, reach for the moon. Look at me saying it all wrong. Reach for the moon, and if anything, we'll land amongst the stars. Right, slightly under that, it had a little sticker that says "You got this," and that's just going with the whole Focus February theme. Just, don't let anything persuade me to think otherwise. I got this. Under that, you'll see a woman in her bathtub, relaxing, having her some me time. It's healthy snacks and a glass of wine, or it might be kombucha for me. But that is definitely something that I want to do for myself more often, and I plan on definitely setting aside time to just have some me time, whether it's taking a bath or reading a book or just blocking out some time aside from me always working and my family, and just giving myself time to just unwind. To the side of that, we have some roses because yes, I do plan on having some fresh roses, fresh flowers, and vases around the house all February. And then to the right of that, we have a scale. Now, I was looking for a specific number, and I was going to put a number on the scale, and then I was like, you know what, we're not focusing on the scale right now. We are focusing on just being healthier, eating healthier, working out, creating better habits for myself. So I found the one that says you are more important than a number, and that just signifies my overall health, because I did go to the doctors recently and my iron levels are so low that technically I need a blood transfusion, but I don't take blood, so now I have to have iron infusions, and that to me is like a wake-up call, because I've had them before, and the fact that my iron is still plummeting, I'm just like, okay, at this point in time you're focused on the wrong thing. It's not about the number, it's about just being better, like being healthy altogether. I am more important than just what the scale reads. And yeah, so that's my focus for this month. I hope you guys are like into goal boards and vision boards and things like that. It's just another fun way to kind of put your goals in your face. And I have this on my screensaver, on my phone, my work computer, my laptop, my iPad. Like, it's constantly in front of me for the whole month, and I'm anxious to see, you know, what of these I knock out, and you know, how they really manifest and become a routine for me. And yeah, I look forward to sharing with you guys where we are with this and with these goals when we're tapping into March. So let me know, you know, down in the comment section below what some of your goals are. Are you into like vision boards, or how do you kind of like put your goals in your face so that they can stay at your forefront? Do not forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and click the notification bell so you don't miss when I do upload another video. And I will see you guys in my next.